Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good and great. So it's as part of the next previous video, I have deployed that my industry safety detection project in my local as well as in my local Docker. This I already done. So in a sequence of the next one, I'll deploy the same in my uh, in AWS. So to check the same thing, I'll have opened my AWS console and search for the EC2. Let me show that from the starting. So when you log in, you will see this page. Either you have to choose EC2 from here. This is the easiest way, what I feel. Now let me launch that instance. So for this, I'll take that Ubuntu, taking that 2004, and I'll take this 8 GB RAM T2 large, and I'll use this spam key because I already have this. If you don't know how to create, then you can see refer any video, or do let me know. I'll also let you know that how you have to do this. Check this both HTTPS and HTTP SSH, including SSH. Take this at 30 GB is more than enough, I believe, and then launch the instance. So once this instance will be launched, I'll connect to this instance uh, through SSH. So I have not given any name. Let me give the name as safety machine, MACHINE. Anything you can give, no issues. Oops. Safety machine. This is done. My machine is ready. Let me connect. This one is here. I already have everything in my local. I'll go here. I'll open another bash and pwd, and then here I'll go and see that it's in this one. Let me go to my download folder because my PEM key is there. Same folder, ls. Okay, no need to do ls here. Then just paste this one. So my PEM key is already there. Press yes. I'll connect to my EC2 instance. Clear. So now I'm already connected to my EC2 instance. For this one also, I have created these steps for EC2. Considering that I have to do everything here, also I have to install uh, Docker. So let's see if I already have it or not. Then if not, then I'll paste it. Okay, this is done, and this one also I need a Docker. So Docker, I can take it from here, readme file, and then do the install. Add the installation steps of the Docker from here. Okay, Docker. Yeah, so Docker is basically these are these steps. I'll copy paste it here in my EC2 one file. So after you connect, install pip install CLI configure, install CLI this. No need of Docker, in fact. Here there is no need of Docker at all, because I'm not going to create a Docker image here. I'll deploy it directly as local. So start from the beginning. You can see that I have every command. I have sudo. So starting that from the top now. Let me do that. Minimize this one. Close, don't send. Okay. Enter. I'm updating this one. here, upgrade, upgrade, upgrade my so this is all I debug, that why Python is not working, Python 3 is working. So this is why, how I have done the change, check the changes, that it is how it is working. It's working. When I done this everything, I have searched the Google and everything, I have found that okay, this Python 3 will work instead of Python command. In model trainer and app.py we have used some Python command. So I have done the changes as in these files. So if you want me to go through all these files, I can go through step by step as well. Install Python, install pip, clear, and then I need pip. Then I'll install AWS configure, AWS CLI, sorry, and then I'll configure as well. Now CLI will be installed. Let me see where is my, yeah, here, credentials for the AWS. So AWS CLI will be installed because I need my model to be downloaded when application will be running from AWS S3 to the wherever this environment. So it could be anywhere. You, if you want to configure mix and match, that upload your image in either in other cloud like GCP, so that also you can do. Now AWS configure, I'll do that. Paste my access key ID and then secret key and my region. These three are required. The fourth one is, you can leave it as is, and then this one is also required. This one no need, we have tested just now, so let me remove it. And here also let me remove it. So yeah, let me go with, okay, clear. So this one also done, and then I'll have to install wget. In fact, this one also not required, but no harm to install it. It's a small package. We have to install git, as we have done in my local Docker, nano vi, and then unzip is required. You can check that unzip is there or not. If not, then you can install it. Unzip is not found, so let me install it. Clear, unzip is installed. Then let me clone this, and then this go inside this. Now I have to install pip install. So all my requirements or dependencies are installing now. So it's installing PyTorch here right now. So if you have this code, it's fine. Otherwise, I will also mention this Git repository URL in the description box, so that you can take it and you can clone it and you can run that application and also understand step by step what is required. If any questions, you can reach out to me through LinkedIn or through LinkedIn or through you can put the comment in the in you can put the comment in this videos for this video in YouTube. Okay, so it's installing, it's still installing, and then after just not much remaining. So we have currently, if you see that I have a running application in my Docker and local Docker, and in my local, this is in my local, this is in my Docker, and this is in my, this will be running in cloud. So let's wait. I think we'll be get succeeded soon. All, I think most of the libraries are done. That's a small thing. Just wait for a minute. I hope everything will be done so fast. Taking because my system, I think it's winding faster than this one, but yeah, it is also, it's almost done now. Waits for the second, hopefully it will be done. Some warnings are there, which is basically a warning. We can ignore those warnings, but let it be completed, otherwise I'll stop it, then could be an issue. So it's basically this code is running in my local. Basically, let me open it and show that the code is already lying up here. Okay, now I'll again connect to my EC2 instance, copy this one, paste it. So ls, okay, oh no, it will not come in. I need to go to my download folder, cd download, and then paste it. It will go and connect to my EC2 instance. Now EC2 instance is here, and then ls, you see that this is already there, ls. So here also you can see that I cannot find my model here. So again, this model will be downloaded from the cloud. Let's see if it is completed. Yeah, it is completed. So the next command is basically just for checking AWS configure. CLER, and then this command is checking, and that let me start my application. But before doing that, or after also I can do, let me do that. It is, if I'll go here and check the logs, cd, and then nano I have installed here as well. You can see that it's running on 8080 port 8080. So if I'll see this port 8080 and my public IP, so here if I'll go here in my EC2 instance, this is my public IP, and paste 8080. This is not working because we have not yet added my allowed this port to my security group. So I'll go inside my security group. There are two ways to go to the security group. Here in my instance, I can go down and click on security and then click on this security group, or directly you can click here, and once you will reach there, you can click on the edit inbound rules. This is one way. Let me add it, custom 8080, and then add internet. But in your companies or everywhere it is not that way, because there are a lot of cyber security rules would be applied, and it will be whatever it is. You cannot put 00 there directly. You have to only allow a specific and the rules which is allowed. Means in case of only load balancer, if you are provisioning a load balancer or auto scaling you are doing, then you have to do it accordingly. So this is done. And if I'll the other way, it basically you can go in the left hand side and you can find the security group. So if you know your security group, you can go inside that security group and do that. So if I'll suppose see if here I have already applied 8080. So why I have, because this was the 9.1 and my instance this is also 9.1. So this is how I figure it out. Otherwise you can obviously anytime you can go here. In fact, you can also remove the security group and you can use the existing one. Okay, now let me go inside here again try. Now you can see that it is here. Again I am saying that this is if you see, you are not able to find this anything which is the bash.pt file. So again I am doing this. Let me do it, start with this predict. If you see here, it is showing this here pretty fast. Model traced, done. You can say it is also working. So this is how you can see, and also you can check in the local control X and then again nano. So you can see this is also showing that all this success, and BT download is also downloaded from there. You can see it here, or everything is fine. Now let me also show you cd dot okay, ls cd dot okay, now ls. Now you can see that my bash.bt will be also here. Where it is? Okay, it's in YOLO folder. ls. Now bash.pt file is also there. Where it is? Yeah, it is here. And ls minus ltr. You can see that yeah. You can see this file is downloaded when it is downloaded a few minutes back. So this is all about this video. I hope you got that what I am trying to show. It's already deployed in my cloud and it's working. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe it, share it, and like my video if you like my content. And anything you want in Dockers or in in rag model, or in anything you want in Olama or any other model, connecting to OpenAI, I let me know. I'll create the videos and share with everyone. Yep, thanks.